you go. Here. Put the clothes. There you go. Put him in the washer. Yeah. Get more. You can dump the basket in there if you want to. Here. Yay, good job. There. One more. There you go. Good. Put the spoon back. Good. Close the lid. Now, we're going to turn this to where it says quick wash. The blue light on quick wash. So turn the knob like that. No, you got to turn the knob. Yep, turn. Turn it left. There you go. Now put it back on quick wash. Turn it right. Twice. Nope. Now, oh, we got to change the temperature. There you go. Now play. Good job. All right, so let's turn it on. All right, we want quick wash. Now hit play. Now leave it alone. Don't turn it off. Here, don't turn it off. You have to wait. It's going to come up with a time. Hold on. Come on, Cash. Let's come in here. Good job.